This is my new room, and today I'm gonna change it so it will be comfortable for me to use. The room right now it's so bad that I cannot say, but I have two table and two chair. So I decided to make this good for my both of work like outwork and YouTube work. So I'm overlapping it with some clothes that I have extra, okay? And this is what my editing setup look like. Only this much. Right now I don't have monitor, and that's it. I do editing and script writing here, and I also have a diary there so I can use it for my anything else. And I also have sticky notes so I can use it like to do something. Like if I have to do something, then I'll just use it sticky notes so I will not forget. And this is where I will soon add a monitor, I guess maybe a month, or I don't know. And this is my microphone that I'm setting up, and currently I'm speaking with this microphone only. And this microphone is kind of expensive for me, even though I purchased it, and I'm in a quite noisy place. I don't know how much the this mic is canceling the noise, and the fan is not needed because this is very cold time right now. Even though I'm editing here for decoration, and here is my setup. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.